Hello my friends, it's me. Well, Creality Germany has gifted me with their Hi Combo multicolor printer plus 4 rows of filament to test out. As you know me, I love building droids. Oh my god, I love it already. The CFS looks just so nice and sleek. CFS stands for Creality Filament System. Unboxing is always fun. Each item in the box arrived safely as it was packed well. Such a nice Creality logo on the print head. Now it was time to assemble the printer. Round 1. Let's get ready to rumble. The printer came with a lot of tools and instructions that made it easy to assemble. Assembling a new 3D printer is always like assembling a new droid. I just love everything about it. In just half an hour, I was ready to heat up the system. After a brief self-check, it was time for the parts to be printed. Wow, just look at that incredible printing speed. The footage is not even sped up, this is normal speed mode. Such a nice printing quality and multicolors, it means less to no post-work on the parts, just the sheer joy of assembling. Once I had printed all parts, which maybe took me about 24 hours in total, I could switch over to the next step and finally make it all come together. One of the last steps I had to do was to finally paint and assemble the base for this cute little droid. I masked some areas of the base with toothpaste in order to get a used and weathered look. So here it is, the final result of this awesome build. I really enjoyed working on the droid. And especially I enjoyed working together with Creality Germany. The Creality Hi Combo is the absolute perfect printer if you enjoy multicolor projects and if you don't want to do a lot of post work. The print quality is really awesome, as you can see. See you next time. May the force of Creality be with you.